जय हिंद दोस्तों, जय जगन्नाथ। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जनरल नॉलेज के एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक को। सो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना क्योंकि ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होगा आपका सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हिच इज द टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग ऑन द अर्थ? ऑप्शन ए शंघाई टावर, ऑप्शन बी बुर्ज खलीफा, ऑप्शन सी वर्ल्ड टावर, ऑप्शन डी टाटा बिल्डिंग। So the right answer is option B, Burj Khalifa. Question number 2. What does the heart pump? Option A water, option B urine, option C oxygen, option D blood. So the right answer is option D, blood. Question number 3. In which country Eiffel Tower located? Option A France, option B India, option C USA, option D Mexico. So the right answer is option A France. Question number 4. Who invented the light bulb? Option A Charles Babbage, option B Michael Faraday, option C Chiku Chakrabarty, option D Thomas Alva Edison. So the right answer is option D, Thomas Alva Edison. Question number 5. How many millimeter are there in a centimeter? Option A 10 millimeter, option B 100 millimeter, option C 1000 millimeter, option D 0 millimeter. So the right answer is option A 10 millimeter. Question number 6. Who discovered the zero? Option A Aryabhatta, option B Ramanujan, option C Panini, option D Archimedes. So the right answer is option A Aryabhatta. Question number 7. How many sides are there in an octagon? Option A 3, option B 6, option C 8, option D 10. So the right answer is option C 8. Question number 8. Which is the largest living animal in the world? Option A elephant, option B dolphin, option C rhinoceros, option D blue whale. So the right answer is option D, blue whale is the largest animal. Question number 9. Which is the longest river in the world? Option A Amazon river, option B Ganga river, option C Nile river, option D Godavari river. So the right answer is option C Nile river. Question number 10. How many months of a year have 30 days? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 7, option D 1. So the right answer is option B 4. Question number 11. How many months of a year have 31 days? Option A 3, option B 6, option C 7, option D 1. So the right answer is option C 7. Question number 12. How many hearts does an octopus have? Option A 1, option B 3, option C 4, option D none. So the right answer is option B 3 heart. Question number 13. Which is the second largest country by area? Option A China, option B India, option C Canada, option D Russia. So the right answer is option C Canada. कमेंट में जल्दी से बताओ कि सबसे लार्जेस्ट कंट्री कौन सा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. हु इन्वेंटेड रेडियो? ऑप्शन ए मार्कोनी, ऑप्शन बी अलेक्जेंडर ग्राहम बेल, ऑप्शन सी फैराडे, ऑप्शन डी चार्ल्स बाबेज। So the right answer is option A Marconi. Question number 15. Which country is known as the land of white elephant? Option A Nepal, option B India, option C Thailand, option D Indonesia. So the right answer is option C Thailand. Thailand is known as the white elephant. Question number 16. Name of the highest mountain in the world. Option A Mount Everest, option B Godwin Austen, option C Aravalli Hill, option D Kailash Hill. So the right answer is option A Mount Everest. Question number 17. In which continent is India located? Option A Asia, option B Africa, option C Australia, option D Europe. So the right answer is option A Asia. Question number 18. Which one of the below is an input device? Option A CPU, option B mouse, option C printer, option D speaker. So the right answer is option B mouse. Question number 19. The Statue of Liberty is located in which city? Option A New York, option B Beijing, option C Tokyo, option D Goa. So the right answer is option A New York. Question number 20. 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? Option A 10 grams, option B 100 grams, option C 1000 grams, option D 10,000 grams. So the right answer is option C 1000 grams. Question number 21. Which is the smallest planet in solar system? Option A Venus, option B Earth, option C Mercury, option D Jupiter. So the right answer is option C Mercury. Question number 22. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A Mars, option B Earth, option C Venus, option D Mercury. So the right answer is option A Mars. Question number 23. Argentina is located in which continent? Option A Asia, option B South Africa, option C North America, option D South America. So the right answer is option D South America. अर्जेंटीना जो शहर है वो अभी हाल ही में पानी में डूबने वाला है, उसके बारे में मैं एक करंट अफेयर के टॉपिक में बता दी थी, सो उसे देख लेना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. Which is the biggest planet in our solar system? Option A Mars, option B Jupiter, option C Venus, option D Neptune. So the right answer is option B Jupiter. Question number 25. Who is known as the god of cricket? Option A Kapil Dev, option B MS Dhoni, option C Sachin Tendulkar, option D Virat Kohli. So the right answer is option C सचिन तेंदुलकर. जल्दी से कमेंट में बताओ इसी ऑप्शन में से किससे क्रिकेट का किंग माना जाता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. Which country won the first T20 World Cup? Option A India, option B Australia, option C Sri Lanka, option D Indonesia. So the right answer is option A, India. Question number 27. What is the full form of a DOB? Option A, date of board. Option B, determination of birth. Option C, definition of birth. Option D, date of birth. So the right answer is option D, date of birth. Question number 28. Which day is celebrated as the National Teachers Day? Option A, 5 April. Option B, 5 June. Option C, 14 November. Option D, 5 September. So the right answer is option D, 5 September. Question number 29. When is Children's Day celebrated in India? Option A, 5 November. Option B, 8 November. Option C, 14 November. Option D, 5 September. So the right answer is option C, 14 November. Question number 30. This is the last question. What is the capital of India? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Kolkata. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Bhubaneswar. इसका उत्तर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना और वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रख लो ताकि जितना भी करंट अफेयर टॉपिक और जनरल नॉलेज के वीडियो आएगा उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू। जय जगन्नाथ।